Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, June 23rd. And we're going to take a look here at Moderna, MRNA. This is a trade I'm currently long in right now. And what we're looking at, the reason I'm in this, is we had a breakout last week, which we traded. And now we're looking at a long. We added to that long yesterday. And the reason we're going long is because of a retest of the breakout level. So this was where the resistance was at, was between 58, 59. We got through that, pushed through the 60 level, which is what we wanted to see. We popped up all the way up to 68 just about, which was our first target, and then pulled back and retested this breakout level. And now this broken resistance switched roles and became support. Now that it's support, it held on the retest yesterday. We saw it dip down into it, and then we saw buyers step back in and start turning it around. And so far, it's looking pretty good. I would like to see this continue to push higher. The next step we want to see happen is a strong close today. It's doing well with the market going risk off and pulling out of all the tech stocks. And then we want to see a breakthrough today's high tomorrow, and that would kind of confirm the bias and suggest we continue to climb. So keep an eye on it. Once we break, if we can break today's high tomorrow, our first target would be 67.75, the previous pivot high, and then we're looking at a 70 push up here past that. So keep an eye on it for the next few days, but overall not a bad looking chart here with Moderna. But that's it for today. Don't forget, if you want to get these trades live, you can join us in the trading room. We do it every single day. Just go to bctnow.com/join. You can find it there. But that's it for now. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.